Hey everybody, come on in. It's time to cook a little quick dinner here. I am going to be doing some chicken strips tonight. Something quick and easy as usual. Don't feel like doing a lot of cooking. Hope y'all are having a great Wednesday evening. The weather is so beautiful today. I'm telling you, I cannot believe how pretty it is today. It was cold yesterday. Okay, these little blue bags here, these are just some little blue bags. I don't want the stuff to get all over the counter, so I don't have to do a lot of cleanup today. Trying to make it a little bit easier on myself. So what I've done over here is a cup of flour and a half a cup of breadcrumbs, the Italian breadcrumbs. I've got milk, eggs, and seasoning in this bowl because I'm going to dip these chicken strips. These are chicken breast strips. I got them on these little paper plates here, so when I finish, I can just ball it up, throw it right in the trash. Okay, of course, I season the chicken strips to taste. This is, I can't remember if it's 3 or 4 nice chicken breasts. It's those skinless, boneless, already filleted chicken breasts, and I just cut them into strips like so. Okay, so again, this is one of those quick and easy ones, and I think I'm going to do some tater tots or something like that to go with them, something real quick and easy. So I'm just going to go ahead and start dipping these. These will be nice, good sized ones. Let me sort of mix that up a little bit more. Got my oil load. I bought tonight when I went to the store. I bought some olive oil. But it's like a mixture of olive oil and canola oil. So this should fry up pretty good. Okay. Okay. Probably might be able to get most of these. I probably got 12 strips here. There's 3 of us to eat tonight. Oh, by the way, we went to the movie last night to see that movie Us. It was pretty good. Pretty good. Kind of makes you think about stuff, though, you know. Kind of one of those little offbeat things that happens in movies. I'm not going to talk about it, be a spoiler, but it was pretty good. It was a good family night movie. The kids went, and Tanya and I and Tony and Lisa, so we try to do a family movie here and there. Like I said, it was pretty good. Not bad at all. I see why it was the #1 movie in the nation these days. Had a pretty good cast in it. The lady from Handmaid's Tale was in it. I didn't realize she was in it, but it was an all-star cast. You know, the actors were really good in the movie. I really enjoyed it. Don't feel like a good movie when the actors are good and when you know them and you know they do the good acting. Okay, I'm gonna just go ahead and start putting these into the grease. We don't want that grease too hot because remember now we got this milk mixture on there and we don't want nothing to burn up. But we want them hot enough so they'll be nice and crispy. Okay. Okay. So this is where this is going to go. As you can see, this is real quick and easy, and it's going to be yummy, yummy, yummy. You can either put this on a bun with some lettuce and tomato and make a nice chicken sandwich, or you can put some sides with it. And like I said, my sides tonight are going to be some tater tots, and that's about it for me. So I'll be right back, y'all. Okay, that first batch is out, and we're going to work on the second batch, and we're going to be done with this meal here shortly. Okay. Just remember, I don't have that heat up too high, because you don't want it to burn. Remember, we got all that good batter on there. Just don't want them to burn. Okay. Go ahead and get that second batch in. Waste of flour everywhere. Okay, it's the last one of that first batch. So we're just gonna go ahead and get the second batch going. And like I'm saying, for prep time to complete cooking, because you have to cook these about, I'll say 4 minutes on each side. These are chicken breasts, so they don't have to cook as long as other cook, like the legs and the thighs and even the wings. The breasts cook pretty quick. You don't want to cook them too long because you don't want to dry them out. So these will be ready in another about 10 minutes. Hash browns, tater tots, or whatever on board. This is our grease night, so it's not so bad though. It's olive oil and corn oil mixture, so not too bad. Almost done with this fried up meal, and this is gonna do it. We're gonna have these nice chicken tenders, and of course the tater tots and a nice salad, and that's gonna do it for dinner for y'all. Lord, I hope I'm not going to say losing my voice. No, I'm not. Excuse me. Anyway, we're just going to move right along with this meal. And it's going to be done here in about another 5 or 10 minutes. And I can sit back, relax, and enjoy me a little bit. I got some salmon left from yesterday, so I'm going to have me a piece of salmon and a piece of chicken tonight. So, hope y'all are having a great day today. Hope you did something exciting or something that helped you along the way, or something that you wanted to do for that matter. What do they say? Wednesday is hump day, so if you're working, I'm glad you're past midweek and going on toward the weekend. Hope you got something good planned for the weekend. I'm done with decorating for this week. I think I'm kind of got that little tickle or that little itch satisfied for right now. So I'm looking forward to the springtime, then summer, then vacation. Looking forward to the kids moving on. My kids that I'm mentoring, I'm looking forward to my senior girl moving on with her life. It's an exciting time in the world, even though in spite of all of the negatives that's going on. But for our young folks that are graduating from high school, going on to college, or 4-year or junior college, or even some of the kids that's not gonna be moving on to college, they're getting ready to start their lives. So if you got any young folk in your life, encourage them to do the best that they can do. Excuse me. Anyway, as I was saying, please encourage any young people that you have in your life. Encourage them to do the very best they can to move forward with their life. Ideally, the children that I know, even my own children, I wanted them to go on to higher education, but some did, some didn't. But at the same time, we can't let that be something that deters us from trying to encourage them to do that. Some kids are not, they're not inclined to go to college, 2-year or 4-year. So encourage them to get some type of a trade, because most of the junior colleges now have either 6 month or 12-month program, and that's not so bad. So even if you can encourage one of those type settings, because these kids need a little bit more than that high school diploma when they get out there in the world. And most parents want their kids to move on, because if they don't get that, you know they're going to end up being home, because you know what it takes to live in a household and to take care of a home. So we got to encourage our children. We can't just let them tool along without doing their very best. So anyway, that was just a little sidebar. Because I was thinking about my kids at the high school. I don't know if I shared with y'all. I got one of my little girls is a young ladies is a senior, and then the other 5 girls that I mentor are juniors. So they're going to soon be out there. For the most part, they're going to go to college, and hopefully they'll do whatever they want to do in life. Okay, there it is, y'all. Sorry about that little glitch that happened there. But anyway, there's my homemade chicken tenders, and I call them oversized tater tots. And I made those cheese biscuits, not cheese biscuits, but cheese muffins. They are wonderful. Made them earlier today, so got plenty of those left. The recipe for those are forthcoming. Well, you should have those by now. So, anywho, that's hot. Had that one in the oven. I am done with this meal. I've got some leftover stuff that I'm going to be eating with mine, but the main attraction here was these homemade tater tots. I'm sorry, chicken tenders and tater tots. I'm eating some leftover. I had a salad already made, so I'm going to have salad with mine. These guys, when they come here to eat, they're not going to even eat a salad, so I'm not going to even bother to make one. They'll eat those tater tots, they'll eat that chicken, and they'll grab those cheese biscuits and eat them like nobody's business. So I'm done for tonight. Just wanted to share that with you. And again, hope you're having a God bless Wednesday. Looking forward to your Thursday tomorrow. Guys, continue to keep those prayers going up so the blessings will continue to come down. Until I cook again, y'all, I'm going to say I love you. Thanks for tuning in, and